Vice President Kosatno Chiwenga has expressed concern about the corruption of fellow ZANU-PF allies, who have said were selfishly enjoying the gains of the liberation struggle at the expense of all Zimbabweans. Sanabina Mashkobdani Gwachinza Aiwa, Chiwenga gives own party a vote of no confidence, not was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Timna Panapam Zimbabwe Bamchinzi. Speaking at Mutapaho in Gweru during the lighting of Independence Torch, a symbolic gesture marking the countdown of Zimbabwe's 45th independence celebrations. Thursday, Chiwenga called out senior party leaders and their families for betraying the ideals of the liberation struggle in cause. The sacrifices made by those who gathered here at Bonobotapo Hall in 1964 were not to liberate one village, one province, but the whole of Zimbabwe, Chiwenga said. We should remember that everybody fought for this country. The freedom fighters, the Chimbwidos and the Mujibas, the mothers who cooked, it was a collective effort. In what many observers believe was a direct jab at President Mnangagwa and his close allies, Chiwenga declared that a small, politically connected elite should not hoard the fruits of independence in cause. All of us who are seated here are not the Alpha and Omega. There are generations to come for which we should guard jealously, he added. Chiwenga's comments come at a time when Zimbabwe is reeling under the weight of widespread corruption, with Mnangagwa's inner circle repeatedly implicated in looting public resources. Chiwenga's remarks reflect growing disquiet within ZANU-PF. The unity touted after the November 2017 coup that ousted Robert Mugabe is now under immense strain. Analysts see that Vice President consistent appeals to liberation values as a challenge to Mnangagwa's patronage system, which has hollowed out state institutions. Domashwa nomudanyo panapa pana VP Chiwenga chita aiwa panguva ino inangu zvembato iri andichasapoti kutangu zviti chifana kuratidza loyalty to our own party, but zvavari kuuya panapa vachibhilivha vachiita zviri kuonekwa kunzi ava zviri kukonzeresa a threat to our own country nekubetray those vakafira nyika ino achiti andikazvisapoti. Tudze mafungiro enyu muti kudii pamusoro pechitiko chipinda comment section medu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.